In this video, we're gonna take a look at Paypenny, Remitly, and Payoneer to see which one is better. So all three of them are used to send money. So basically, there are some benefits to each one of them. Now, Paypenny is one of the most used one and is used a lot in Canada, but the thing with Paypenny is that they only have the app. So as you can see on Remitly, you can send it online, and on Payoneer you can basically have like a bank account online and you can create it right away online without having to worry about paperwork and stuff like that. You just have to create the account and then enter some personal information, and that's it. Now, Remitly is most used for transfers. Basically, you can send money from your country to another country, but as you can see, it's kind of limited. On Payoneer, there are no limits, and you can create debit cards, credit cards, and much more. So overall, if you want something that has all the benefit at once and more, go with Payoneer, which is completely free. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.